with the kids today. It's my birthday and this is where I chose to go just for you because it's for your birthday for tomorrow and it's gonna rain. So we're here today. All right, let's go try to have fun. We're gonna go in the wave pool first. Jessica's coming. All right, lazy river he goes. That's his favorite. You want Miles to come? Okay, baby. I don't know who's getting in the raft. I know Japers isn't. Oh, he wants to push it. He's so funny. Go, Jessica, go!
Now it's slow.
You want to get in, Jaden?
The one in Florida is fast. Remember that one, Mom?
No, I have no underwear on. I don't.
Japers is having a ball. He'll stay in here for the next 3 hours. I'm glad I got him that little life jacket. It works really well for him. Ah, look at my baby. Honey. Look at my big boy. Playing all by himself. Hey, Japers! Hey, Booger Bud! Well, well. Look who showed up from the wave pool. Kid is still in this roundabout river 3 or 4 hours later. Ridiculous. Hi, Jaden. Are you having fun? Me and Japers. Park is getting right close, so we're going to go around this one time. Ouch! Ow! They got my leg! Ooh, that's not funny, Jaden.